Learn to set car's inbuilt clock in less than 1 minute.
In this video we will learn how to set clock of any car in which inbuilt clocks are given. This is Maruti Swift Desire model. There are a few simple steps, as right now time is 2:20 and my car clock is showing 6:23. To set this, what I need to do is just press these two knobs simultaneously. As soon as I will press, you can see our digit has started blinking. Now to set it, if you uh, turn it clockwise, time will go in forward direction. If you turn it anti-clockwise, it will go in backward direction. As time right now is 2:21, so I will be shifting it at 2. Now for minute digits, I have to just press once again, and now it comes to minute digit. Now just 2 click and time is set now. So after this you have to just press this button once, that's all. Now your clock is set. Thanks.
Thanks for watching this video.